Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're embarking on a culinary adventure as we explore the vibrant and diverse food culture of Asia. From the spicy street foods of Thailand to the savory dim sum of China, we'll take you through some of the most iconic dishes and flavors that define this incredible continent. Whether you're a foodie looking to expand your palate or just curious about Asian cuisine, we got something exciting for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode of our global food journey. Let's dive in. 1. The rich diversity of Asian cuisine. Asian cuisine is incredibly diverse, influenced by various cultures, climates, and histories across the continent. From the fiery curries of India to the delicate sushi of Japan, each region offers a unique take on flavor and cooking methods. The food culture varies greatly, with some countries focusing on rice as a staple, while others prefer noodles or root vegetables. Understanding the vastness of Asian cuisine is key to appreciating its nuances. 2. The importance of spices in Asian cooking. Spices play a crucial role in Asian cooking, with each country and region using them in distinctive ways. In India, spices like cumin, turmeric, and cardamom create layers of flavor in curries, while in Thailand, fresh herbs like lemongrass, basil, and cilantro are used to infuse dishes with freshness. In Chinese cuisine, the balance of sweet, salty, sour, and spicy is often achieved with the right combination of soy sauce, ginger, and chili. Spices and herbs aren't just about flavor. They also serve medicinal purposes in many cultures, promoting health and well-being. 3. Street food. A window into local life. Street food is the heartbeat of many Asian cities, offering a glimpse into the everyday lives of locals. From Bangkok's bustling markets to the food stalls of Seoul, street food provides not only delicious meals, but also an authentic cultural experience. These foods are often quick, inexpensive, and packed with flavor, using fresh ingredients sourced from nearby markets. Street vendors specialize in one or two dishes they perfect, allowing you to experience the essence of a particular cuisine in its most unrefined form. 4. Regional flavors and techniques. Asia is home to countless regional flavors and cooking techniques, each offering its own unique culinary identity. In China, for instance, the North tends to favor hearty wheat-based dishes such as dumplings and noodles, while the South relies on rice. Meanwhile, in Japan, sushi and sashimi highlight the importance of fresh ingredients and minimal cooking. Indian cuisine showcases its richness through slow-cooked curries, while Southeast Asia emphasizes vibrant, tangy, and spicy dishes. Every region has its signature cooking method, whether it's stir-frying in China, steaming in Vietnam, or deep-frying in Thailand. 5. The art of sushi in Japan. Sushi is one of Japan's most iconic dishes, with a rich history and intricate preparation techniques. It's not just about raw fish on rice. Sushi is an art form, where the quality of ingredients and the skill of the sushi chef take center stage. Traditional sushi is often made with just a few high-quality ingredients, allowing each element to shine through. The rice, seasoned with vinegar, sugar, and salt, must be prepared to perfection. Sushi chefs train for years to perfect their technique, focusing on balance, texture, and presentation. 6. Spicy and flavorful curries. Curries are an integral part of Asian food culture, with each country bringing its own twist on this flavorful dish. In India, curries are known for their complex blend of spices, often cooked with meat, vegetables, and legumes. Thai curries, on the other hand, use fresh herbs like lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves to create a more fragrant and spicy version. Japanese curry is milder and thicker, often served with rice and vegetables. Indonesian rendang is a slow-cooked, tender meat dish with deep, rich flavors. 7. The role of rice and noodles. Rice and noodles form the foundation of many Asian diets, acting as staples in countless dishes. In countries like China, Japan, and Korea, rice is often served with almost every meal, from stir-fries to sushi. In Southeast Asia, noodles are a key part of street food culture, often stir-fried, tossed in broths, or served cold in salads. Each country has its own take on how to prepare and serve rice and noodles, whether it's the fragrant jasmine rice of Thailand or the chewy ramen noodles of Japan. 8. Sweet treats and desserts. Asian desserts are as varied and diverse as the food cultures themselves, often offering refreshing, light flavors or indulgent, rich textures. In Japan, you'll find delicate treats like mochi and matcha-flavored sweets that balance sweetness with subtlety. In India, desserts such as gulab jamun and rasgulla are rich and syrupy, providing a sweet finish to any meal. In Southeast Asia, coconut-based desserts are incredibly popular, from Thai sticky rice with mango to Filipino leche flan. Desserts in Asia often use ingredients like coconut milk, pandan leaves, and red bean paste, which add unique flavors that may not be commonly found in Western sweets. 9. The influence of Asian food on global cuisine. Asian cuisine has had a profound influence on global food culture, with flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques spreading far beyond their regions of origin. Dishes like sushi, po, and pad thai have become international staples, enjoyed by food lovers across the world. Many Asian ingredients, such as soy sauce, sesame oil, and sriracha, are now common in kitchens around the globe. The fusion of Asian flavors with Western culinary traditions has also led to exciting innovations, like Korean barbecue tacos and Japanese-inspired ramen burgers. 10. Food as a cultural experience. In Asia, food is more than just a way to nourish the body. It's a central part of culture and tradition. Meals are often shared with family and friends, and food is a way to bond, celebrate, and connect with others. In many Asian cultures, food also has symbolic meanings. Certain dishes are prepared for festivals or to mark significant life events. In Japan, the changing of seasons is reflected in seasonal ingredients used in traditional dishes, while in India, food is often connected to religious rituals. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure through the vibrant and diverse food culture of Asia. We hope you enjoy discovering new flavors, dishes, and cooking techniques that make this region so unique. If you're craving more food exploration and want to continue this journey with us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Your support means the world to us, and we'd love to hear which Asian dish you're excited to try next in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating and see you on our next culinary adventure.